Our nation is like a tree, of which the original trunk is Swaraj and the branches are Swadeshi and boycott. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Chanchal Singh from class 11C. Today's scripture is अभिमान धना विनय पेता सारिना भारत जलता हम निम्सामी समस्ते संसारे मने च कुटुंबम वसुंधरम. Now I would like to call Sunidhi for its meaning.
I am Sunidhi and the meaning of the scripture is: we are the people of India with self-respect, humility and decency. While living in this whole world, we consider all the people of the earth as one. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
This is Kanishka from 11C and today's news headlines are as follows. PM Modi sets the groundwork for the rehabilitation of 508 railway stations. The mayor of Hiroshima has called nuclear deterrence as a folly as the city celebrates the 78th anniversary of the atomic explosion. Companies that compete with Adani Group for priced assets according to Congress fear surges from the CBI, ED and income tax. Barbenheimer meme sparks outrage in Japan for trivializing Hiroshima bombing during World War II. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today's sports news are as follows. Tearful end to Megan Rapinoe's World Cup career. Sweden knocked United States out of World Cup on penalties. Mithun Manjunath emerges as top buy at GBPL Players Draft. Asian Games probable judoka Jasleen Singh Sani fails drop test. Thank you.
Your blood does not range, when it is water that flows in your veins. The symbols of a country mean more than what we see. A bowl equals a symbol that is pure, strong and free. A very good morning to one and all present over here. Today, I, Sonali,
and I, Riya, class 11C, welcome you all on today's morning assembly on the topic Swadeshi movement and National Handloom Day. The Swadeshi movement, one of the most successful movements of pre-Guardian era, was an outcome of partition of Bengal. The formal proclamation of Swadeshi movement was made on August 7, 1905, with the passing of boycott resolution in a meeting at Calcutta Town Hall, which brought about unification of the hitherto dispersed leadership.
the movement had its roots in the anti-partition movement, which was started to oppose Lord Curzon's decision of dividing province of Bengal. The message was propagated to boycott goods such as Manchester cloth and Liverpool salt. Make in India is a Government of India scheme launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014, which was intended to facilitate investment, foster innovation, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property, and build best-in-the-class manufacturing infrastructure in the country. To know more about the context, I would like to call Shraddha to deliver a speech.
Good morning everyone. Myself Shraddha Soni and I am from the standard level C. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic Swadeshi. So first of all, what do you mean by Swadeshi? Swadeshi means producing necessary items in one's own country and using them for one's own use without being dependent on imported goods. The Swadeshi idea was popularized by occasional bonfires of foreign cloth, salt and sugar. Now, let's come to know when Swadeshi was adopted. The formal proclamation of Swadeshi was made on 7 August 1905. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal and Lala Lajpat Rai are the key people in Swadeshi movement. It was in the 1906 Calcutta session headed by Dada Bhai Nauroji. The resolution of Swadeshi was adopted. Swadeshi movement implies the uses of products and boycott of foreign-made goods. The main goal of this movement was the use of Swadeshi goods and boycott of foreign-made goods. The main features are to promote and encourage the use of indigenous goods or the goods produced within India, to boycott all foreign-made goods, mainly the British, and to block the trade of the colonial government. Now, I would like to share a quote related to Swadeshi. Our nation is like a tree of which the original trunk is Swaraj and the branches are Swadeshi and boycott. Now let's come to know about Make in India. The Make in India initiative was launched by Prime Minister on 25th September 2014 as a vital part of the movement. Now I would like to conclude my speech by saying that we want to enable startups to make India number one in this field. Start up India and stand up India. Thank you. Have a nice day.